Dad, I'm watering plants. Oh, there it is. Do you see those deer, Dad? Look, Dad, I'm walking Pickles. Oh, there she goes. Good job, Pickles. Look, Dad, it's super foggy down there. I don't know how they're gonna see the targets that are further than 7 yards. Look, Dad, you can see the targets on 100 yard. Look, Dad, I get to work tin can. Look, Dad. Look, Dad, there's a deer. Look, Dad, there's a second deer. Look, Dad, you see that deer? Look, Dad, I'm raising the flag. Look, Dad, here's the view from the tower. There's 150, tin can, and pistol. Dad, look, someone can't shoot. Look, Dad, do you see the deer? Look, Dad, I get to wear my new beanie. It's 48 degrees. Look, Dad, the deer got my last potato plant. I can't have anything nice. Look, Dad, it's after work and we're gonna go into San Jose. I get to wear my new skirt. Oh, it's the best skirt ever. I wonder if it twirls. Oh, it's a twirly skirt, a twirly skirt. Dad, look, we're going to the Winchester House for a flashlight tour.
To good times and good friends.
Saki Brigade.